Alright, so working on a 2004 F-250 Ford V10, and I replaced the fuel pump in this truck thinking the fuel pump was bad. And then of course I went on old faithful Google, and they said that there is a relay buried in between this fuse box here. Now it's not replaceable because Ford had the bright idea that they were going to hard solder it into the circuit board in the middle layer of this fuse box. So in order to fix the problem, you have to buy a whole nother fuse box from Ford, or I found this one here online. I found a new one reconditioned, supposedly. Hopefully the relay is a better upgrade than what's in it, because I'm not very impressed with this whole deal. This was close to $500 for this part, not to mention all the money I spent on the fuel pump. So I don't know what I'm doing. I've restored a lot of cars in my time, but nothing this new. I never worked on anything this new, and I don't really know what I'm going to run into here for problems with this. Getting things out of here is fucking another problem. Oh boy. You gotta unplug all the wires here. And the first thing you gotta do is you gotta disconnect the battery. And it looks like I got something I gotta push on here in order to get this cap off of this. Must be a power wire for the fuse box, I'm assuming. Jesus Christ. All right, so I gotta go get a screwdriver or something to get this stupid thing undone. Hold on.